Vanakkam friends, imagine this, a beautiful home where your family creates lifelong memories. Today, with the tears of joy in my heart, I bring you this gorgeous south-facing duplex house, complete with car parking and a stunning modern elevation. This dream house sits on just 864 square feet, uh, but gives you 660 square feet of pure comfort. A home made for love, laughter, and togetherness. Come, let me take you inside this beautiful plan that can change your life. Look at this ground floor plan. It's where your family heart beats. Right at the front, a spacious car parking welcomes you home after a long day. No more street parking stress for your loved ones. As you step inside, you are hugged by this warm hall cum dining area. Yeah, perfect for evening chai with family, Diwali celebration, kids playing on the floor, pure bliss. To your left, a modern kitchen where your mom makes magic every day, connected perfectly to dining for those special family meals. Can you smell the love already? And look, cozy master bedroom for your parents with an attached toilet nearby. Every morning they wake up, feel like royalty in their own home. The staircase waits gracefully to take you to more beautiful memories upstairs. This floor is where the family bond grows stronger every single day. Now, friends, uh, let's climb to the first floor, your private paradise. Two beautiful bedrooms, one of your kids filled with dreams and study tables, another master bedroom for ultimate comfort. Two toilets ensure no morning rush, no arguments, just peace. A small family hall for movie nights and two balconies where you sip coffee watching the sunrise, feeling truly blessed. This isn't just a floor plan, friends. It's where your children grow, where you create a traditions the lost generations. Now, the most important part close to every Indian heart, Vastu blessings for property and peace. Main entrance, perfect south facing as per Vastu. Placed it precisely for maximum positive energy. Kitchen is in northwest. This is second option. Uh, but your mom cooking will bring abundance to the family. Master bedroom in the southwest. Stability and strong family bond guaranteed. Toilets away from northeast, keeping your home spiritually pure. Staircase positioning perfect for energy flow. And don't forget a small puja corner in the northeast, where your family prayers will bring miracles. Follow this, and this home becomes more than house. It becomes your family temple. And now the moment have been waiting for. Behold this jaw-dropping modern elevation that will make your neighbor jealous. White, grey, and black to create a royal look. Box-style design with sharp lines, sophisticated yet affordable. Large windows flooding your home with sunlight and fresh air. Bold balcony that scream luxury. This elevation doesn't just sit on your plot, it dominates the street. Every guest will say, wow, wow, what a beautiful home. Now, friends, this is your dream home, inside comfort, outside pride. So, friends, this is 864 square feet south facing duplex. It isn't just a house plan, it's where your daughter's first step happen, where you celebrate every festival, where old age feel like heaven. Like if you touch your heart, share this someone building their dream home. Subscribe for more life-changing plans. In the comment, tell me which room excited you most. Let's build dream together. For more house plans like this, check out our website houseplansdaily.com and houseplans.world. Also, in Play Store, our apps are available named Plannist, Designist, House Plans and Designs, House Designs and Plans. Check out now and install and go through our website and apps. Thank you for watching. We will see in next video.